We're good? Okay, NJC, thank you. Who's next, please? All right, Mr. Winters. Case number 20MM 2089. Pro se, resisting without violence. Mr. Winters, do you plan to represent yourself or get a lawyer? Pardon me? All right, you want me to appoint a public defender to represent you? All right, the public defender's office is appointed. Mr. Winters, you still need to fill out the application, okay? But I'm going to appoint her to represent you right now, so she's here in the courtroom and she'll help you, but just make sure you fill out that application when we're done. Ms. Hall, what would you like to do? All right, this is a plea of not guilty. And Madam Clerk, a court date for Mr. Winters, please.
February.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Winters. And is that it for NJC?
Your Honor, we had one more, Jean Francis Kane.
Yes, sir. All right, she refused. Thank you. Jean Kane is 20MM 2088 with Ms. Hall.
Going to be asking for an ROR today. She has dementia, and in fact, we said on 19th are leave. We're going to be asking that you notice of that case that not take or whatever. She was found incompetent because of the fact that she has dementia. The case was dismissed because of it. The jail told me today that she is unable to come today because of her dementia. She's in crisis. She didn't understand why she was in court. So we're going to be asking for our worker, and then we're going to be starting competency proceedings. We're already in the process of doing that. I've been in contact with her. And I spoke to her attorney on this case, Ms. Armstrong, and that's what she asked.
Okay, so Ms. Kane is charged with trespass. You've already filed a written plea of not guilty. You're maintaining that at this time, right? For purposes of the arraignment, that's why we're here. And Ms. Santini, I'll repeat what Ms. Hall said just to make sure you heard it. Not only is she maintaining her written plea of not guilty, she's requesting an ROR, and she's indicated to the court that her client has dementia Another case was actually dismissed, I guess, because of mental health issues. And so she's asking for an ROR at this time.
Your Honor, this is Ms. Carini. The state would object to an ROR at this time. We're entitled to notice, and we would ask the PD to file a motion. They emailed us, the PD's office emailed us about 10 minutes prior to court today, asking us if we would agree to an ROR. They haven't provided us the case information regarding her prior case. We haven't had an opportunity to look into it, and I don't believe that having dementia would be the basis for an appropriate basis for an ROR.
Okay.
If they want to file competency proceedings, I ask that they file a motion.
I think it can't hurt to send the email, even if it's 10 minutes in advance, and ask. And so that's what they did. And it sounds like you're saying, no, we don't agree. And I understand that as well. And so absent a stipulation, I agree with Ms. Karimi that the procedure has to be followed. They've got to be put on notice, have an opportunity to prepare. And so I'm going to deny the oral request. Of course, that's without prejudice to file a written motion properly set in front of the presiding judge. Okay. NJC, anyone else for you?
No, Your Honor, the last one's out the window.
I showed two more actually, Romaine and Ventura. So we're going to IJC for Ventura. Thank you, NJC. All right, so Ms. Santini, Ms. Hall is telling me that Luidor Romaine 20 mm 2083 has bonded. And so this is one of Ms. Hall's cases. We need to schedule this for another arraignment, out of custody arraignment.
I mean, the information was found, Judge, so I was going to take it to the next pretrial.
Well, we can do that, Ms. Hall, if you want to proceed today with your written plea of not guilty. Okay, very well. Then we'll do that. Thank you. Leaving us with one case, that's Mr. Ventura Inamacli, 20 CO 757. Good morning, IJC. Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right, thank you. We've got one case with you this morning in Teodoro Ventura. Good morning, sir. You're charged with open container. This is an arraignment. This is your opportunity to enter a plea. When you enter a plea, you have three options: guilty, no contest, or not guilty. In just a minute, I will ask the prosecutor for the offer in this case. And then you decide whether you want to accept that offer or not. It's completely up to you. If you want to accept the offer, then you will enter a plea of guilty or no contest. If you do not want to accept the offer, then enter a plea of not guilty. And I believe there is an immigration detainer in this case. Is that right? I'm told yes. Okay, so you need to know that as well. There is an immigration detainer against you. Sir, do you understand everything I've explained so far? All right, I'm going to ask the prosecutor for the offer. Ms. Santini.
The offer is adjudication, time served, and all costs.
Mr. Ventura, I'm going to explain that to you again. The offer is an adjudication of guilt, which means you would be convicted of possessing an open container. You would be ordered to pay all court costs and cost of prosecution within 90 days. The offer also includes time served, which means no additional jail time. Do you understand the offer? Do you have any questions? He does, thank you. Do you want to accept the offer?
No.
All right, so you're entering a plea of not guilty?
¿Está declarando no culpable? I am guilty. Okay, quietly, explain.
Of course.
Señor, usted habla además el español, alguna otra lengua. No. ¿Español nada más? No, es español. Just Spanish.
Just Spanish. So, I just want to make sure, do you want to accept the offer or not?
Quiero cerciorarme, ¿usted quiere aceptar la oferta o no? Yes, I'm taking the offer.
All right, are you pleading guilty or no contest?
¿Está declarando culpable o no lo discuto? Guilty.
Did you read a plea form?
¿Yo te leo la hoja que se le entregó ahí? I did.
Do you understand everything that's explained on that form?
¿Entendió todo lo que dice la hoja? Yes.
Do you understand that you're waiving those rights by entering your plea today?
Entiende que usted está renunciando a sus derechos al declararse como está haciendo hoy, ¿verdad? Yes.
Do you understand that there is an immigration detainer against you?
¿Entiende que hay un orden de detención en su contra? Detention?
There's an ICE hold against
Un
you.
orden de inmigración, de detención por inmigración en su contra. No, I don't know.
Well, I'm telling you, that's a fact.
Se lo estoy diciendo. Es un hecho.
So once this case is over, you may face deportation.
Es decir, cuando este caso se termine, puede enfrentar deportación.
Do you understand that?
¿Entiende eso? Yes, I understand.
And this plea will be used against you in that deportation
Este
hearing.
alegato se puede usar en contra suya en este proceso de ley.
Do you- Do you understand that?
¿Entiende usted eso? I do.
Do you still want to accept the offer?
¿Aún así quiere usted aceptar la oferta? Yes.
Are you under the influence of drugs, alcohol, or
¿Ahora
medication?
acepta drogas, alcohol, medicamentos ahora usted? I do not understand.
Do you have any drugs in your system right now?
¿Tiene droga en el sistema usted ahora, usted en su cuerpo?
Any alcohol?
¿Alcohol?
Any medication?
¿Medicamentos?
All right, I will accept your plea.
Acepta su declaración.
Find it freely, voluntarily, knowingly entered
Voluntaria,
upon a factual
sobre bases
basis
suficientes,
and in your best interest.
lo que más le conviene hacer,
Adjudication,
se le impone la condena,
all costs and time served.
gastos de todos los gastos y tiempo cumplido.
Thank you, Mr. Ventura. Good luck to you,
Gracias,
sir.
señor Ventura, y buena suerte para usted.
And thank you, IJC. I believe that completes our arraignment docket. Anything further to come before the court? Going once,
Your
going
Honor.
twice? All right, we are adjourned. Thank you, everyone. Have a great
You know,
day.
good day.
Thank you, you too. Bye-bye.